morning, everyone. The legal battle does continue, but I have to say the controversial gun show returning to the fairgrounds at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, but not without opposition. Keep in mind, it has not been here on the state-owned property since January, so about 9 months now after the fairgrounds board of directors suspended it. Let's get you to video this early hour. I can tell you, too, if you remember back in June, a federal judge issuing an injunction ruling the state must allow gun shows like Crossroads of the West to continue while the court rules on the legality of that suspension. Crossroads of the West, meantime, has been operating in Del Mar for some 30 years, bringing in thousands of people. But recent mass shootings made some question the safety of the event and if it was even necessary. Crossroads officials say the event is fun and safe, even family-oriented. But opponents say otherwise, noting the show is dangerous and does not belong on state property. If you recall, too, Assemblyman Todd Gloria has been pushing his legislation which would prohibit the sale of guns and ammo at the site starting in 2021. AB 893 has cleared the legislature. In fact, it cleared this month. Governor Newsom has until October 13th to either sign or veto it. Back out live outside the fairgrounds this morning. Again, the event starting at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're told that demonstrators, as we've seen in prior stories, those demonstrators should be lining the streets as the event starts. We're live in Del Mar. We'll get it back to you.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Democrats continue pushing for the impeachment of